Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best handheld fans that are perfect for keeping you cool on the go, whether you're traveling, commuting, or just trying to survive a hot summer day. We've tested and compared some of the most popular options out there, and we're bringing you the ultimate picks based on performance, portability, battery life, and value for money. All the product links are down in the description, so if you see one you like, be sure to check it out. Now let's dive right into the list. Top 5 best handheld fans. 5. Lerat A25. Stay cool wherever you go with this 2-in-1 foldable handheld fan designed for 15 hours of continuous cooling and powerful airflow flow. Featuring an upgraded motor and 2 adjustable speed settings, this mini fan delivers strong wind in a compact size. It charges fully in just 2.5 hours and runs for 8 to 15 hours to keep you refreshed all day. Crafted with soft, safe blades that auto-stop when touched, it's ideal for both kids and adults. With a foldable design, it easily transforms into a handheld or desktop fan, and its lightweight, pocket-sized body makes it perfect for travel, work, or outdoor adventures. You can even use it while charging via USB, and it runs quietly at just 50 decibels. Whether for home, office, or travel, this fan is a must-have summer essential and a thoughtful gift for family and friends. Comes complete with a Type-C charging cable and user manual. TUNISE M12s. Stay cool anytime, anywhere with this ultra-quiet, rechargeable handheld fan. Designed with a noise level under 15 dB, it operates whisper quietly, making it perfect for any environment. With 6 adjustable speeds, the fan gradually increases airflow from levels 1 to 5, while the 6th mode simulates natural wind, automatically adapting to your surroundings for personalized comfort. Powered by a 4,000 milliamp-hour battery, it offers an impressive 4 to 18 hours of continuous use on a full 1.5-hour charge. Compact and versatile, it can be handheld, placed on a desk, or worn around the neck with the included strap. The foldable design makes it ideal for travel, while the one-button control, digital display, and emergency power bank function add convenience. Whether you're at home, in the office, shopping, or camping, this portable fan is your ultimate summer companion. C3. SWEETFULL MPF 2023. Perfect for hot and sweaty days, the SWEETFULL mini portable fan is your ideal companion for clubs, parties, or any humid outdoor event. Weighing just 3.3 ounces, this compact travel fan easily slips into your handbag, ready to offer instant cooling relief during a hot flash or heat wave. With 3 powerful speed settings, you can choose your perfect breeze with a simple press of a button. Even the lowest setting delivers a refreshing wind. Powered by a 2,000 milliamp-hour rechargeable battery, it runs for 3 to 10 hours on a single 3-hour charge, making it perfect for all-day outings. Designed with a cute and comfortable grip, this stylish little fan is a summer must-have. Grab one for yourself or your suite today. 2. Gaiatop B26. Great summer gift. The Gaiatop BP26 handheld fan is the perfect gift for stylish girls, boys, men, women, and children, making it an essential companion for beach trips, camping adventures, or travel. Protected by a U.S. design patent number USD 964-5544S, this fan combines style with innovation. It features a powerful brushless motor with 3 adjustable speeds: low 3,500 RPM, medium 4,500 RPM, and high 7,500 RPM. To keep you cool wherever you go. Rechargeable and portable, it charges fully in just 2.5 hours via USB and works continuously even while charging. Whether handheld or used as a desktop fan with the included base, it's designed for convenience and comfort. Compact and lightweight, only 118 grams per 0.26 pounds and 6.5.2 centimeters, it fits easily in a bag or pocket and can be worn with the included lanyard for hands-free use. 1. JISULIFE F8. Stay cool and prepared wherever you go with the JISULIFE Pocket Bear Fan, a compact 3-in-1 summer essential that functions as a fan, flashlight, and power bank. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful performance with up to 12 to 19 hours of cooling time on a single USB charge, making it perfect for travel, concerts, outdoor activities, or daily commutes. Its palm-sized design easily fits in your bag and doubles as a backup charger to keep your devices powered. The built-in flashlight adds unexpected but handy utility for nighttime walks or emergencies. Featuring a 3-stage transformable design, it folds to fit in your pocket, works as a handheld fan at 180 degrees, or sits on your desk at 270 degrees. Whether you're attending an event, camping, commuting, or looking for a thoughtful gift, this mini fan is the perfect travel companion for women, kids, friends, or anyone on your list. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best handheld fans. Whether you're heading out on a sunny day or just need a quick cool down, there's definitely a fan on this list for you. If you saw one you liked, all the product links are down in the description, so feel free to check them out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and top picks. Stay cool, and I'll see you in the next one.